Hey guys, today I'll be showing you 3 easy iconic hairstyles worn by Kim Kardashian. First, I'll start with the classic blowout look. This method is super easy to follow, and instead of using a blow dryer, I'll be using a flat iron. Start off by parting your hair in the middle, then start at the front. Take a section and apply flexible hold hairspray. One of my favorite hairspray to use is the L'Oreal Fixing Spray. Grab your flat iron and curl towards the front in a horizontal motion and tilt it towards you. Make sure to do it slow as you get close to the ends. Now grab a medium-sized roller and wrap the hair around the same direction you curled. The roller should not fall, but if it does, use a pin to secure it. Once you reach the top, to give maximum volume, put the rollers on base. Follow all these steps throughout the hair. Once you reach the top of the crown, make sure to follow these parting methods so that you have no weird splits in the middle. The roller set should look like this once you're done everything. Allow it to cool down for at least 10 minutes or more. Now it's time to take them out. You want to make sure you are twisting away from the face. For a better shape, make sure you twist the hair with your fingers. Once you take the rollers out, hairspray before gently running your fingers through the hair to loosen up the curl. If your hair does not hold a curl well, you can skip this step. This step is optional. If you are a person that loves lots of volume, then tease the crown and top area. The best way to get a good tease is to brush down as if you are creating a C. Then hairspray it and make sure to smooth it out after. This is the final result. You should end up with something like this if you have medium and thin density hair with no layers. Or this if you have layers. On to the second hairstyle. It will be the super easy, effortless messy bun. Section off a medium-sized piece at the front of your face. like this. Now use the brush to smooth out the hair. Leave a thin piece of hair near the ear, then tie it up. Make sure to go around with the elastic once. On the second time, grab the hair at the bottom and tie it together, leaving the ends out. Once the hair is up, play with the shape by gently pulling the hair and pinning it into place. Now grab those pieces that we left out on the sides of the ears and pin them up. To finish after you are done and happy with the shape, set it into place with hairspray. Look at these final results. This style is so cute and suitable for many occasions. The final hairstyle will be this half up, half down. Start off by sectioning a thin piece on each side of your face. Then grab the brush to smooth the rest of the hair. Use the end of the brush to split the hair horizontally in half. A little tip is to turn your hair upside down to make sure the hair sits up high. Make sure to go around the hair 3 times with the elastic. Then grab some hair from the side of the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie. Then secure it with a bobby pin. For maximum volume, you can tease the top of the ponytail. Another great tip is to use a root covering spray of your shade if you have thinning or heart-shaped hairline. And we are all done. Look how cute and easy it is to recreate this look. Thank you for watching. Comment down below any other hair videos you would like to see.